Welcome to the tutorial on annotating images. One of the easiest ways to learn from radiological images is to view an image by itself, guess its significant features, and then reveal the answers. This is usually accomplished through annotations, and MIRC has a built-in feature for that. The goals of this tutorial are to install the required software, add annotations to an image, and then view your annotations. The first topic is software. You must be on the hospital network in order to install an SVG viewer. This cannot be done remotely through the Citrix gateway, so it's not possible to remotely annotate. Some computers may not be able to annotate images if they do not have an SVG viewer installed. Visit Adobe's website, which we have open here, to download the appropriate viewer. You can find the link to this website on the MIRC at KUMC website in the tutorial on annotating images. Just scroll down and find the appropriate version for your machine. Allow it to download and then open it. And the install has succeeded. Once this is done, you're ready to start annotating. The second topic is adding annotations. Open a MIRC and make a new teaching file, just like we had before. Go to the Images tab and open some images from the file cabinet and put those images into your case. Double-clicking one of the images is going to open it in the image editor so that we can begin annotating. So double-click on it. Make sure that you save the file, the teaching file, before you do that, or it'll pop up an error. Okay, so now we're in the image editor, and notice that when we start drawing, it starts us with a basic line tool. You can see on the toolbar up there that we have a lot of options, so let's get rid of some of those lines and start over. You can draw arrows, lines, circles. You can add text. You can also increase or decrease the size of those objects using the plus and minus buttons. And you can change the colors of the selected objects using the color palette. In order to select an object, make sure that you press the arrow button. Let's just play around here for a minute, see what we can do. See, select the arrow button so that I can select that object. Change the color. Let's try adding some text. Change the color. Let's select the arrow and move it. Move the circle. So you see you can move all your objects. It's a pretty simple interface. And you can delete things by selecting them and clicking the red X. And when you're done, click the save icon. And then make sure that you also save the case after you save the annotations. So let's go ahead and look at the case. The third topic is viewing annotations. So go ahead and just open it in the case browser, like we've opened files before. You can see your image. And then notice that there's an annotations button on the top right. If you click that, it shows the annotations. So when you start, they're not shown, but when you click it, it shows them. The next step is the tutorial on HIPAA, PHI, and anonymizing.